Hello everyone, welcome back to Bros Motors. Today I'm going to show you how to change battery on Honda key fob, and actually you guys can save few pounds, 15 to 20 pounds, by going to the shops or to the locksmith, and it's very easy. The key is working now. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.